How to delete emails from iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete emails from iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete emails on your iPhone, simply open up Mail. Now this is a bit tricky. If you head into Inbox and if you have an email on your inbox, then there you won't get the option to delete directly. So what I'm trying to say is, if you tap on edit option at the top right, and you can select the emails that you would like to delete, or you can select all, then you can see there is no any delete option right here. But the trick here is you want to tap on move option, and once you tap on move, you want to move it to trash or here. So you can simply tap on trash and it'll be moved. All your mails will be moved to trash, right? So I'll just cancel it here. I don't want to move it. But once you have done so, the next step you can do is you can head into trash, and on trash now every mail that you have moved to trash, you can tap on edit option at the top right. You want to select all again that you wish to delete, then you'll find delete option at the bottom right corner and you can delete it. So this is how you can delete emails from iPhone. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.